got the rips, guys. Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Alan, this is Hemi-Driven. Today we got a video for you. We are going to be talking about what's it like driving a older Scat Pack. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Always content on the way. I know it's been a little slow. I've been stuck in my house for a full week. Haven't really had to do much. So I'm finally able to get out of this jail cell and get in the Scat Pack, put on track mode, and go for a friggin' rip. Also, I will be answering all the comments down below in all of my videos. I'm going to be scrolling through. I'm going to be answering all the questions live for you after we do the first bit of the video. So stay tuned for that. I think it's time to get it. Hit the B-roll. Alright guys, so first off, this car is a 2016, as most of you guys know this already. Also, it pretty much feels brand new. Like, there's nothing wrong with this car at all. I've had no really issues other than, you know, the pedal commander issues, which just happened today again, where it shows the codes. I was literally just trying to get here, and it threw codes, so I had to like pull over, rip it out, and reset it once again. But other than that, that has nothing to do with this car, quality wise. But other than that, everything's fine. Like, everything feels great. The seats are still looking brand new. Like, the seats are pretty much the same on every single car. So like I was saying before the phone rang, seats are pretty much brand new in every single Scat Pack. They all look the same, other than the touch screen or whatever. You just need the taser to unlock everything, blah blah blah. You've seen all the videos. I'm not going to go over them again, but you know, 2016 is now 2021. I'm still loving this car. I do want something a little faster, but I mean, to each their own. Like, it still comes in this beautiful B5 blue color, which a lot of people think is a wrap. There's not a lot of colors, especially blue where I live, like these Chargers come in, so it's really kind of a rare kind around my area. And pretty much looks like all the new ones, minus the wide body. But yeah, it's pretty much just the same car. No, like, it comes with all the performance pages and everything, unlocked by the taser.
New text message.
Alright, so we're just peaking up over 42,000 kilometers on this Dodge Charger. So it's been running good. I've had this since probably 3 years now. I love it. I'm still loving the car. I want a Hellcat, of course, but in the future this channel will have a Hellcat, as long as, you know, I keep getting the support's important, as long as everybody's liking the channel, subscribing, everything like that. And you know, eventually a Hellcat hopefully will come. I've been watching all these channels, like especially Tall Guy Car Reviews. I watched him since the start, since he got his first Hellcat. Tall Guy Car Reviews, Judas Garage, sleep building up, Tall Guy's Car Reviews, old Hellcat, and now he's in the C8. And I watched Mr. Organic, and so forth. Like, pretty much most of the car YouTubers I watch, especially Street Speed 717. You know, with his Corvettes, and now he's into supercars, and it's just crazy to watch everybody grow on YouTube And it, you know, makes me wish to start it earlier because, well, basically when I got this car, I was like, hey, maybe I should start one of my own YouTube channels based on, I guess, this car. And it's crazy amount how far this channel has gone. You know, it's still technically a small channel, but I'm getting unbelievable amount of support, and I just want to say, guys, appreciate the support. And if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be at this point, I guess. You know, I'm not like crazy high in subscribers and, you know, about to buy a Lambo and a Hellcat tomorrow, but you know, we're getting there, and that's what's most important. And it's keep grinding every day in, day out, non-stop grind. You know, sometimes my videos might not do that well. Well, you gotta keep going, gotta keep going. You can't stop. It doesn't matter if the video doesn't do well or whatever. You just gotta keep coming up with content and keep posting and be consistent. And hopefully that one day, guys, one day, I'll be looking back on this video saying, wow, sitting in a Hellcat, hopefully. One day. I need a house too. So, anyways, let's go and read those subscriber comments. Alright guys, so got my phone up here. We're gonna go through some comments. Hopefully they're subscribers. Alright, so Mr. Highway. Most of these I've already answered on YouTube, but I'm just gonna answer them for y'all right here. What are you planning and thinking of buying as your next car? So basically, my next car, what I'm thinking of planning, if I were to get a new car, not yet, obviously what I just explained, would have to be a Hellcat. A Dodge Challenger Hellcat is probably my step up dream car. All right, so this is the first dream car I had, and now I've accomplished of owning this car, and now I want to get something crazy. I need some horses, and I need more horses, and I need to hear that Hellcat whine. So that's gonna be my next car up. It's got to be a Hellcat, because they're gonna stop producing the SRTs and Hellcats, so we got to get one before that happens. So but you know, in a few years maybe we'll find one for cheap. We'll see. Got to keep the grind going. Anyways, are those taillights covers or tint? From Jonathan. They are tint wrap. So I got them from Lux Auto Designs on their website, based out of US. Ordered it, I cut it myself, and we wrapped it with the help of my wife, of course. Both kind of tackled it. I've never done wrap before, so we both tackled it. Took like not that long, and got her on there. Made a few mistakes, but I'm probably going to order another wrap soon. Maybe a gloss. We'll see. Once this thing starts showing some wear and tear, we'll pull it off and put something different on. Yeah. So we got. So our Sav 416 asked if are you from British Columbia, Canada? How's the charger in the winter, or do you drive an alternate car? I am from British Columbia, Vancouver Island, and how is the charger in the winter? It's not bad. It hardly ever snows here. Hardly ever. We got one dump of snow, not that bad. As you guys see, I drove the car a little bit in the snow, handled okay. I preferably wouldn't drive it right in the snow like all the freaking time. I'd have to get snow tires on, of course, but I mean, I would, obviously, for you guys, if you guys wanted me to, for content, maybe for next year, we'll see. But preferably I don't. This was stored away for the entire winter, but it's been a really dry winter. It hasn't been hardly any snow, so I've taken it out early, basically. And I don't drive an alternate car. I drive my wife's car sometimes. She drives a Crezza 200, but all I have is a scatpack and my wife's car. So that's it. I mean, eventually, maybe when I get big, I can have multiple cars. That's the dream. That's the goal. So keep supporting. Appreciate it. No suspension. I don't think I got to this comment. Okay, so he commented on the drive mode. So basically what I meant by no suspension is it has suspension, it has stock suspension. Okay, it doesn't have the SRT performance suspension like most of them have. Like you can change them to sport, to track, or whatever. It doesn't have that. It just has a straight, regular suspension that comes in all the Dodge Chargers, like minus the high up ones, SRT and Hellcats. Just has the regular one. You can't change it. That's all. And that was from Christian. Christian asked that question. All right, this one's another one from Mr. Highway. Can you do more videos on that Mustang? You should consider getting a Ford. It will get more viewers to the channel. I like Dodge, but they're not that popular. Well, yeah, I'll buy a Mustang.
You're gonna learn today.
No, I'm not gonna buy a Mustang. Don't get me wrong. I like all of cars. I've owned a Camaro, and I've never owned a Mustang. I've driven a brand new 2019. Maybe later on down the road, if this channel starts doing better, I get obviously more support and I can have the type of money to own multiple cars, I would be down to say, hey, I'll buy a Ford Mustang for the channel just to screw around with and for different type of content. I wouldn't mind doing that. But this is a Mopar channel mostly, but I like to include other makes and models of vehicles other than just my own. So, but yeah, Dodge is still popular car, especially the Hellcats. Scat Packs maybe not so much, but the Hellcats are definitely more popular, that's why I want to get in one sooner than later, but it's just not feasible at where I'm at right now. All right, so this is from Dave Waltz. You drive and track all the time. Yes, I do. All the time. I drive and track. It just opens up. The exhaust valves are always open, and it just sounds so good. It's so hard to drive in sport mode. When you have track, it's so hard, especially just regular street mode or even in eco. I'll drive eco during the cold winter months where it's icy out in the morning. That's the only time I don't drive in track. I've heard it's bad to drive in track, wrecks the transmission, blah, blah, blah. If it's there, why not use it? That's what I say. So I always drive in track all the time. All right, so we're gonna set up this bad boy and get some drone footage for the day. This is the DJI Mini 2, purchased with all my savings. All right, so my camera's about to die, so we'll do like a pull down here and we'll rip up that long road a little bit. Roll down the left window. See my engine lights on. It's from the freaking Taser. So it happens, it leaves your engine light on for a little while. Put it in sport mode. So let's get it. And also, I am really rough on the Scat Pack. Really rough. So if it can uphold what I'm doing to it and it's still doing good, well, we got a good charger here. Well, I think we're all set to go, aren't we? Power shifters a little bit. Just rips after rips, guys. Alright, y'all, so back at home, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all the new content and hit that notification bell, of course. Thank you so much for watching and all the support. Appreciate it. See you guys on the next video. Peace.